it's Swimming here, and in this video you will learn some of the sections that you might not know about while handling your point of sales order. Okay, and for you who may or may not know about EasyStore point of sales, it can be downloaded from most of the app store, and as long as you've downloaded it, you can access to it anytime, anywhere with your smartphone or tablet. And since today we are using iPad for the demonstration, so you can click onto Apple Store, search for EasyStore, install it. Okay, so once you've downloaded it in your tablet, be it by smartphone or tablet or even third-party devices that we support, which is Sunme, you can actually have a walking cashier anywhere you go to collect orders, okay, making it worry and hassle-free. So once you've downloaded the app, click open, and you will get access to EasyStore admin panel, or normally we call it as dashboard as well. Okay, and today we will be mainly speaking about how you can go with shipping and pickup, but this time is for your point of sales order. So you must be wondering, it's a POS order, meaning to say if it's a physical order, why is there delivery and pickup involved, right? Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into two features in point of sale, especially when it comes to managing the orders. So we'll click point of sales, view point of sales. So this is EasyStore point of sale looks like. Okay, so first is pickup orders. So under what situation where you will provide pickup orders? For example, if you're familiar with Uniqlo, they do provide buy online, pick up in store services, right? And some customers prefer this method probably because it's nearby to their location and maybe they want to save some shipping fee also, right? So if that's the case, you would have pickup orders to manage. And where can you actually see it from EasyStore point of sales? It is here. So you will see this pink navigation named pickup orders. So when you click onto it, you will see there will be three tabs: to prepare, ready for pickup, and completed, right? So for example, here to prepare, we have two orders. And from here, there's one order 1267, which is pickup in the near time being. Okay, so you can actually click on it to see what are the items inside. Click show details. Okay, and click ready to pick up. So from here, you will see what are the pickup location, expected pickup time, which date, which time, and what are the products in it to be packed. Okay, so here we understand that, okay, we have one item to pack or wrap or put it in a paper bag. And once staff has completed with the packing, they can click ready to pick up. So once they click ready to pick up, customers would receive notification, meaning to say that, okay, order is ready to be picked up. So once I am available, or maybe right after my work, I can go to that locations to pick up my order. So we head back. Okay, where you will see the order earlier on will be shift to ready for picked up. Okay, order 1267. And let's say customers is coming to the store and it is picked up. Okay, you can click mark as pick up and mark as picked up. And earlier on, customers selected cash on delivery, right? Meaning to say that when they come to the store to pick up, and that is when they actually proceed with the payment. So from here, you can click mark as paid and select what are the payment methods that you provide, be it by Visa, MasterCard, e-wallet, or cash. Okay, so for example here, we are using external terminal. If you are using Visa or MasterCard, okay, customer tap to pay. Once transaction has been completed, mark as paid. So system will actually automate the entire transactions. Okay, and then you will see the order would be moved from ready to pick up to completed. Okay, order 1267. Okay, so once the order has been successfully picked up, it will be under completed tab. And moving next to scheduling pickup or scheduling shipping. So you must be curious, right? Under what kind of situation do we need like schedule shipping and schedule pickup for an offline order? Okay, so for example, there's one customer is coming in. Okay, probably we'll look for existing customers. And just right, this product is out of stock in here, for example, okay? And it depends whether customers would like to pick up on the spot, but in another location, or if customer prefer you to actually ship it to their house directly, doorstep delivery. Okay, say there are two types of settings, be it customer want it to pick up directly or to deliver it to their home. So let's say if customer want to pick up directly but in another location which the stock is available, you can click on this orange schedule pickup. Okay, and since now we are in EasyStore HQ, so the stock is available in the retail outlet, another retail outlet, right? So we click on retail outlet, and please make sure you input the right information for receiver information. Because why? Because the location staff will actually go through the information for verification. So make sure you put it right, and you can select the pickup date and time as well. So for example, if customer is okay to pick up tomorrow, okay, maybe around 5 p.m. we can change the time, 5 p.m. If it's okay, we click OK, confirm. So from here you can see, okay, this customer name Shana, she want to pick up in this location at what date, what time, and these are some of the information. So later on, if this customer go to that location, okay, their staff will need to verify the informations. Okay, so once all good, you can click checkout. Okay, and let's say if customer would like to pay here on the spot, they can proceed with payment. But then let's say if customers would like to pay on the another locations where she can directly pick up the order, you can click mark as unpaid. So then later on, when she go to that location, she will pay from that location instead. Okay, and scheduled shipping is where customers can still wait, okay, for you to actually deliver the goods to their home instead of they go pick up themselves. So we will go with the same customers again. For example, this product, okay, click on schedule shipping. So there are two situations. For example, if this customer is as existing customers, you can actually get their information here. So let's say if customer want to ship with their existing address, you can just select existing address. Okay, but then let's say if it's a new customers, they would like to input new customers without having the system to actually keep track of their addresses, you can input the new address as well. So we go with the default location. So it is shipped from location since we are in EasyStore HQ. So ship from here. And here they will have two settings, which is shipping rate and custom rate. Whereby let's say if you have already set shipping rate from our dashboard or admin panel, it will actually appear here. But then if you haven't set it yet, no worry, you can still add here through add custom shipping, okay, be it by any shipping fee that you want to set. But then if you want things quick, because customer is already with us, so we just go with custom rate. For example, if you are shipping it with Ninja Van, okay, roughly the shipping rate is around 8 ringgit. Okay, so you just input the courier name, the price, confirm. So then it will be shipped to, make sure the customer's information is correct again. Okay, so once all good, you can click checkout. So customers can pay on the spot as well. Okay, so for example, they go with do it now, they scan the QR, show it to you, successfully transferred, mark as paid. Okay, so system will automatically generate the order. And let's say if we head back to orders part, okay, you will see the earlier order that we scheduled shipping, right, 1291, would be delivered. For example, we head out to EasyStore admin panel, back to admin, orders, 1291. So from here you can see, okay, shipping fee breakdown, and it will be delivered to the customer. So from here you can either choose as well whether you want to deliver with, for example, third party delivery, easy parcel, you can fulfill it as well. Or let's say if you have your own delivery courier, you can manually mark it as fulfilled, update tracking info, and input the additional information, okay, be it by post laju, for example, tracking code, tracking URL, and the status as well. Okay, and normally in this case, we will suggest to integrate with third-party logistics so that the entire fulfillment, airway bill would be auto-generated, so you don't have to do everything one by one, be it by copying the tracking URL or tracking number.